guys? It's David from Trade Support Group. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays to everyone. Just wanted to let you guys know we are running a promotion so you guys can get our free audiobook Basics Beginner course along with a few extras involved. As you can see, this is the layout here. We've got so many different ways of teaching, from beginners to more experts, intermediate, whatever it is. So get this while it lasts. We're running the promotion until the end of the year. It's Christmas Day now. All you guys have to do is enter your email below in the link whenever you're directed there, and we will send you over the promotional book for free today. And don't forget, guys, this comes with our teaser for the Ultimate Strategy Guide with the audiobook. It's our Volume 1. These have over 60 trading strategies available. We're going to tease you with a couple. Make sure you get an idea of how we work. Animated charts and audio guides. What more could you ask for Christmas? This is truly a beginner's guide to learn how to start trading on the market professionally. We break down a number of strategies, and we also include multiple combinations that have been proven successful over and over again. So guys, go ahead. All you got to do to get this free audiobook is enter your email in the link below. It'll be sent to you. Enjoy it over the holidays, and of course, stay safe. Let us know if you have any questions at all. Visit us at tradesupportgroup.com, get our free consultation, and get this audiobook for free. It only lasts until the end of the year. Take care, guys.